What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another cryptocurrency news article read through. This one's coming from Bitcoin Magazine and approved the spot Bitcoin ETFs to trade on U.S. markets in historic milestone. The U.S. will finally be getting a spot Bitcoin ETF with industry analysis predicting a surge in institutional capital inflow into Bitcoin. And why wouldn't you predict that surge? We saw what it could kind of do yesterday with people buying the news of the fake approval when the SEC's Twitter account got hacked, and then that just shot the price of Bitcoin up to 48,000. I feel like right now, we're not really seeing the change. So I believe people are probably waiting to go, is this real? Is this true? Like, honestly, I waited to get this article out here, so I'm going, okay, I'm slowly seeing it. I saw one that said, oh, it pulled it, but no. So the article is here, and let's go through it. Today, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has officially approved the listing of the first ever spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. This move marks a historic milestone in the evolution of Bitcoin adoption within traditional financial markets. And here is that file showing it, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the release. This was January 10th, self-regulated organization of the NYC ARC, NASDAQ, but all 11 pretty much were approved. So, woo, we did it. This is going over more of that. But today, the commission approved the listing and trading of a number of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products, shares, and said SEC Chair Gary Gensler, while we approve the listing and trading of certain spot Bitcoin ETP shares today, we do not approve or endorse Bitcoin. Investors should remain cautious about the myriad risks associated with Bitcoin and products whose value is tied to crypto. So good old Gary Gensler is like, yeah, we may have approved this, but oh no, be careful with Bitcoin. Good old Gary. Ponzi's, fraudsters. We so funny. But this approval comes after extensive deliberation and anticipation surrounding the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which are anticipated to offer investors direct exposure to the Bitcoin. Now, the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States is expected to unlock unprecedented opportunities for both institutional and retail investors, offering a more accessible and regulated avenue for participating in the burgeoning Bitcoin market. Now, industry analysis predict that approval of these ETFs will catalyze a surge in institutional capital inflow into Bitcoin, potentially fueling BTC's value to new all-time highs and solidifying its position as a legitimate asset class. Now, the exact launch date of the ETFs are expected for tomorrow, Thursday, January 11th, and investors and Bitcoin enthusiasts alike are eagerly anticipating the ETFs debut on major stock exchanges and anticipating their impact on market dynamics and investor settlements. So the SEC's decision signifies a significant shift in regulatory stance towards exchange for embracing Bitcoin, but signaling an increased acceptance and recognition of it within the traditional financial realm. This approval is expected to pave the way for future developments in Bitcoin-related investment products, now potentially opening doors for a more diversified range of BTC-based financial instruments for investors. Now, as the SEC finalizes preparations for the listings of the first spot Bitcoin ETF, market participants are on the edge of their seats awaiting new era in the investment landscape shaped by the integration of Bitcoin into the mainstream portfolios. So everyone's just anticipating, they're excited for this. It's like, it's here. It's like, so it's like, it's just a new thing for them. It's like they could have gone to Bitcoin themselves. Like that's the best way to do it. Just actually hold it. But yeah, people always ask like, what's the point of these ETFs? Like, it's like, it gives normal people, average Joe people who don't really want to touch Bitcoin, but they kind of do. This is giving them their traditional style of it. But no, it is here. And like everyone really does expect like the inflows. They talked about how it's like, it could be the catalyst. It's like, this is a catalyst to like definitely push Bitcoin's price, but remember, guys, we still have the halving happening in April. And that's always been the true catalyst for the crypto bull run. But this is definitely a nice little spike that should be coming for Bitcoin. So, woo! Congratulations, everyone. This is a win. But I hope you guys enjoyed this article. And if so, smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.